Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The function of the AC compressor. Inappropriate maintenance of the AC compressor sometimes can lead to its malfunctioning. An air conditioning unit can still appear to run with a malfunctioning HVAC compressor. AC unit is equipped with a pair of fans, which still can run even in case of a malfunctioned compressor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are some common symptoms of a bad AC capacitor. AC not blowing cold air. An air conditioner that doesn't blow cold air is one of the first signs of a problem many homeowners notice. High and rising energy bills. Humming noise. Old HVAC system. AC turns off on its own. AC doesn't turn on immediately. AC won't turn on.
Take our lead.
The compressor is an expensive item to replace. Because dead compressors usually happen in old air conditioners, it's more cost-effective to start over with a new AC rather than pay to put a new compressor into a system that's already wasting power and a few years from the junk heap.
Let's help you make your mark.
When a compressor begins to go bad, the airflow output of the vents will begin to diminish. If you notice the cold air coming out of your vents decreasing, call an AC repair company. Another sign your compressor might not be working correctly is an increase in the temperature of the home.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What does a bad AC compressor sound like? Many times it will simply sound louder than it usually does. There are also instances when you may notice a rattling sound, which could mean a fan has become loose in the condenser unit.
Take our lead.
The fan only runs when the system is on and not continuously. There is better dehumidification in your home during the summer months. When your fan is set to auto, moisture from cold cooling coils can drip and be drained outside. It blows back into your home and your AC works hard to remove extra moisture from the air.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.